We are now touring Jordan. This is the flag of Jordan. This is the political map of Jordan. We can clearly see that Jordan borders with Egypt and Israel in the west, and on the top it's Syria and Lebanon, while Iraq and Saudi Arabia is on the west. And down below is the Gulf of Aqaba. We have started from Petra. We can clearly see the position of Dead Sea and the Jordan River. And this is Aqaba, where we are now going. Jordan, an Arab nation on the east bank of Jordan River, is defined by ancient monuments, nature reserves, and seaside resorts. It's the home to the famed archaeological site of Petra, the Nabatean capital dating to around 300 BC. So after exploring the remaining portion of Petra Archaeological Park by means of a donkey ride, we will proceed towards Aqaba. You come to my side so that I can take my photo of yours. Before we proceed to Aqaba, we'll have lunch here in Petra. These are the outskirts of Petra. Aqaba, which is the only harbor city of Jordan, and it is situated on the Gulf of Aqaba, which is the continuation of the Red Sea. We are proceeding towards Petra. This is Petra Market. Traveling by land, the distance between Aqaba and Petra is 125 kilometers. It will take around 2.5 hours. Now on the way, we stop to see the Petra Valley. A beautiful viewpoint. We can have a panoramic drone view of the Petra Archaeological Park from this top. What a magnificent view! That's the way down below, and this is the road which leads to sea. We have walked yesterday on this road, and the creek you are seeing here is the entry to the sea through which we walked yesterday, and after crossing the sea we had seen the treasury, which was one of the 7 wonders of the world. So now we are again moving towards Aqaba. The roads are beautiful. Aqaba is a Jordanian port city on the Red Sea's Gulf of Aqaba, inhabited since 4000 BC. We will reach Aqaba very soon. It's home to the Islamic-era Aqaba Fort. There up you can see a tunnel. Date palm trees are planted all along the way. Its beach resorts are popular for windsurfing and other water sports. And the area is a top destination for scuba divers with notable dive sites including the Yamanieh coral reef in the Aqaba Marine Park south of the city. Land behind the mountain is Israel. We have entered the city of Aqaba. This is the main mosque. This is our hotel in Aqaba, Crystal Hotel. In the front, through the trees, we can see the Gulf of Aqaba, which is a continuation of the Red Sea. These are the shops in front of our hotel. Local handicrafts on sale, and this is the city of Aquaba. Now we are going to have a glass bottomed boat ride in the Red Sea. So we are heading towards the harbor point. Very nice and clean city. This is the Gulf of Aqaba. It is the continuation of Red Sea, I have told before. This part is Aqaba in Jordan, and when I zoom around the Red Sea, you can see, and this part is Taba in Egypt, and there's the Egypt-Israel border, and that is Eilat in Israel. Eilat, the town of Eilat. So it has a border with Jordan, and in between is the Red Sea. Blue water. There we can see the Aqaba harbor. And that's Eilat, town of Israel. And that is the Taba of Egypt. This is a huge ship. We are now on the boat with a glass bottomed. Here we can see down below the coral reefs. Now this is a shipwreck which we are seeing below. Our glass bottomed boat. So we are cruising in the Gulf of Aqaba. Other tourists are also enjoying the boat ride on Red Sea, as we can see from here. We are seeing the coastline of Aqaba. The Royal Palace of Jordan is just behind the trees. The king stays there, and the yacht you are seeing here is used by the king. And these are 5-star hotels with their private beaches. This is a small lighthouse. We can see our hotel, Crystal Hotel, from here. After 2 hours boat cruise, we will head for Wadi Rum Desert, which is a thrilling desert. So in my other videos, do see the other parts of Jordan, Wadi Rum Desert, Dead Sea and Amman. After seeing my videos, please do like, share and comment. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel.